Hi everyone, want to create a stunning AI generated videos effortlessly? Welcome to Google Labs VideoFX. It is an advanced AI tool that transforms simple prompts into a dynamic video clips. In this guide, we'll show you how to get the best result with VideoFX. First, head over to Google Labs and sign in to your Google account. Look for the VideoFX in the experimental tool section. Keep in mind that availability may vary depending on your region. To generate a higher quality videos, you need a clear and detailed prompt. And then you need to be specific about the movement, the lighting, and mood for the best AI output. Once the VideoFX generates your clip, you can refine it, adjust the frame rate and resolution for smoother playback, select a different styles like cinematic, anime, or more, and enhance a detail using AI-powered refinement. After you're satisfied with the result, export your video in the desired format. Whether for a social media, presentations, or creative projects, the VideoFX helps you bring your ideas to life. And that's how you get the best results with Google Labs. If you found this video tutorial helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching.